Viveka Learning Extra.
Hello students, this is your Rajrishi sir, and today I am going to teach you a chapter of biology, that is hormones. Hormones are regarded in another name also, that is known as endocrinology. Endocrine means the study of hormones or some biochemical messenger, and logos means to study. So the study of hormone is known as endocrinology, and the person who studies this subject or is a specialist of this subject is known as endocrinologist. You may heard that some doctors have a specialization in this endocrinology and is known as endocrinologist in some hospitals or in private nursing home or some clinics. Now comes that what is hormone? Hormone is nothing but some biochemical messenger that secretes from some particular place known as gland, that is endocrine gland, and reaches to a particular target material or some target place through our body fluid system to perform some particular actions. So if you consider the function of hormone, then you will get that first of all, one, hormones maintains the physiological and the metabolical activities in our body. Secondly, hormones creates or develops some sexual characteristics in male and females, both in man and animal. Third, it helps us to maintain our normal equilibrium in adverse situation. Say for example, you got frightened, then your blood pressure, your normal body balance will be maintained by some hormones known as adrenaline, noradrenaline, or etc. etc. Now comes that hormones are mainly similar to another biological compound, that is enzyme. But how can you distinguish between them? Basically, enzyme and hormone, they are both biochemical compound, but in case of biochemical nature, enzyme is just protein, only protein. Proteinaceous in nature. But hormone may be a protein or may be fat or lipid. And now comes the source. Hormone secretes from endocrine gland. That there are some glands in our whole body that secretes this particular chemical compound, and they are ductless gland. DUCT, duct means pipe or channel, less gland. So there is no system, no pipe system or some channel system in case of hormone. They secrete from the particular gland, say for example thyroid gland or our sexual gland, and they directly releases to our bloodstream or in the blood and reaches to the particular target. But in case of the exocrine gland or from the place where the enzymes are secreted, they have a well developed duct system. Say for example our salivary gland or some submandibular gland or some parotid gland, they have some duct system, and through them the enzymes reaches to the target place, that is the food which we have intaked. Okay, and now comes the function. Enzyme acts only on the food that we eat to digest it. The mainly one function is, that is digestion. But hormones have so many functions. Say for example, when we also take food, the insulin hormone and the glucagon hormone, they also secreted, not only the enzymes, okay, to maintain the sugar level in our body. Also, the noradrenaline or the epinephrine secretes when we face any adverse situation. It is not related to digestion. Also, the hormones develop some sexual characteristics within us. Okay, so hormones have so many other functions also regarding to physiological function and metabolic function. Okay, And now comes the difference between hormones and neurons or nerve. Say, for example, your ear is getting twisted. So by someone, we have get hurted or we have pain. So we can say that the action of neuron is very fast, but the action of hormone is very slow. But the influence or the impact of hormone is long lasting, whereas the impact of neuron is for very short time or some fraction of second. And neuron or the action of neuron is a physical entity or it's an impulse, but the hormone is a biochemical compound which acts to perform some physiological activities. So in this class, what we have learned, we can summarize that what is endocrinology, who are endocrinologists, what is hormone, what is their source, what is their function, what is the difference between hormone with enzymes and also with the neurons, and also the function of hormone. So that's all for today, students. Wait for the next video for the next part. Thank you.